Today we talk about how to show items on your map on your when the app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you come here to this list. It's going to show for you like this. If you want to show here for casted here or other here, you just click on it. It's going to show for you on your map and here reported wind. So just click on it and it's going to show for you like you see here. And all these items here can you manage it and show it on your map. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.